Good morning, students. Welcome to class number 4. Today we will see EVS part 2, lesson number 2, work of the sons. I hope you all are safe at your home. So, shall we start our next chapter, work of the sons? Okay. The tradition of sant that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhoba Mela was continued by sons coming from various strata of society. In this group of sons are included Sant Goroba, Sant Sauta, Sant Narahari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. Similarly, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanopatra and Sant Bahinabai Shirukar are also included. It means the tradition of sons that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, whatever the tradition of a sant, it had started with the sons Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokha Mela was continued by Sant coming from various strata of society. Strata means group of people who are in equality in our environment, in our religion. Okay. In this group of Sant are included Sant Goroba. In that group, which sants are included? Sant Goroba, Sant Sautamari, Sant Narahari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. As like them, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanopatra and Sant Bahinabai Shirukar are also, these women also included in that group. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. Virtues means behavior of showing high moral standards. Okay. What they have taught? They taught compassion, feeling, non-violence, not to do any violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. No one is inferior and no one is superior. No one is inferior, no one is belong from their rank, and no one is superior, no one is too much rich or too much poor. We all are same. All are equal. Such was sentiment that was created by Sant in the mind of people. Similarly, Sant Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Rendered means Sant Ramdas also rendered. He also gave his work in Maharashtra. Now, Sri Chakradhar Swami. We will next see in detail about Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He became a ascetic and came over to Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. What does it mean? Sri Chakradhar Swami, he was originally prince from Gujarat. He was a prince of Gujarat. But he became an ascetic. He became a self-discipline and came over to Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching, giving moral advices, equality. He did not believe in any discrimination, any differentiation based on gender or any caste. So several men and women became his followers. The sect he established is known as the Mahanubhav. Sect means a religious group of people that known as the Mahanubhav sect. Memorable incidents from his life have been compiled in book titled Leela Charitra. Compiled means collected into the book whose name has Leela Charitra. Now next is a Santa Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in a village Narsi. He composed numerous songs in praise of God, performed kirtan, song and stories based on religious theme everywhere and brought about general awakening among the people. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught the people deep devotion to God. What Sant Namdev did? Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. Where he lived in village Narsi and he composed numerous songs in praise of God and performed kirtans. What he do? He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught the people deep devotion to God. He instilled means he fixed in them the desire to protect their religion. Sant Namdev later traveled all over India spreading the message of humanity. Who has spread the message of humanity in India? Sant Namdev. He traveled to the Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. He composed songs in Hindi. Even today, some of his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Okay, their songs sung with great love and devotion. Now next one is a Sant Dnyaneshwar. Sant Dnyaneshwar families belong to the Appega. Nivruttinath and Sopandev were his brothers. Who was the brother of Sant Dnyaneshwar? Nivruttinath and Sopandev were his brothers. Muktabai was his sister. What is the name of sister of Sant Dnyaneshwar? Muktabai. Bigoted men of the time used to look down upon these children because they were of the offspring of a sannyasi. Bigoted means opinion. Their opinion men of the time used to look down upon these children because they were offspring of sannyasi. We know that sannyasi. They live away from their home, their children, they known as the sannyasi. And it happened like this. Their father took sannyas and retired from worldly life. As a sannyasi, he left home. But later on, obeying the order of his guru, he returned home and started living with his wife. Their 4 children were born afterwards. The narrow-minded religious leader did not think it that right that a sannyasi should have children. People persecuted these children and banished them from their community. Persecuted means harassed these children. People giving their trouble, they are harassing them and banish them from community. Once Dnyaneshwar went round the town begging for alms to collect some food. He had listened to the abusive language. Instead, young Naneshwar was deeply pained by this incident. He entered his hut and locked the door from inside to grieve over his lot. What he did, he locked his hut from inside and he went inside. Muktabai came and knocked at the door. She said, "Open the door, Naneshwar. How can we remain drowned in our own sorrow? Who will then look to the welfare of the world?" These words of the sisters gave new hope to Naneshwar. What she said to Naneshwar, Sant Naneshwar, open the door, please. How can we remain drowned in our own sorrows? How can we deep in our own sorrows, in our own deep problems? Who will then look to the welfare of the world? Who will take care of the world? These are the words who of his sister gave a new hope to Naneshwar. He forgot his personal sorrow and started his work. Everywhere, the poor and backward people were being oppressed in the name of the religion. Gnaneshwar went among the people and taught them to have a faith in God, give equal treatment to all, help those in trouble, and allay their misery. This was the gist of his advice to the people. Gnaneshwar words are heard in every nook and corner of Maharashtra for last 700 years. In those days, all religious teaching was confined to Sanskrit books. The language of ordinary people in everyday use was Marathi. Gnaneshwar wrote his outstanding book Gnaneshwari in Marathi. Who wrote the Gnaneshwari in Marathi? Santa Gnaneshwar. He thus opened wide for his people the door of knowledge where he pursued the ideal of brotherhood among all men. At a very early age, at Alandi near Pune, Gnaneshwar took samadhi, that is, put himself in trance from which he never came out. Even today, on the 11th day of Ashad and Kartiki, lakhs of pilgrims go to Alandi Pandari with devotion. Even to the with devotion. Thank you.